Hello everybody. So we're going to start working with series. And a series is the sum of a sequence. So 5, 8, 11, 13, and how about 16? That's a sequence of 5 numbers. It's a sequence. It's a list of 5 numbers. A series would be the sum of those 5 numbers. That's a series. Sequence, series. Okay? All right. Sigma. That's just another Greek letter. So it's one more in your tool belt for when you guys either pledge to a frat or sorority, if that's going to be what you do in college. You now know another Greek letter. Sigma. It means sum. It's spelled S-I-G-M-A. Sigma. Okay? It means sum. This is the number you start with. This is the number you end with. And this is the pattern that you follow. Explaining that a little bit more. The first thing you do is you fill in whatever number this is down here, you fill that in. So 2 times 1 plus 3. That's 2 plus 3 is 5. Now, this is an index. Increase it by 1. So now you're at 2. Fill that in. 2 times 2 plus 3. So you're at 4 plus 3 is 7. Now fill in a 3. Increase this number that you're filling in by 1. So 2 times 3 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. Increase it by 1 again. 2 times 4 plus 3. That's 8 plus 3 is 11. Increase this number by 1. 2 times 5 plus 3. 10 plus 3 is 13. Increase it by 1. 2 times 6 plus 3. 12 plus 3 is 15. Increase this number by 1 that you filled in. 14 plus 3 is 17, and that's where you stop because that's the last number in the sequence that you're going to generate. You started filling in a 1 and went to 7. Now you have to add all these up. So you take your calculator and you add all these up. 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 13 plus, 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17, and you get yourself an answer. I don't think you guys need me to take the time to add those up, but it's the sum. Okay? I think you guys understand. You just add them up now. This one says to start at 5. So you fill in 5 squared. Then you're going to increase it by 1, and you're going to add it to 6 squared. Then 7 squared. Then 8 squared. Type it in your calculator and get yourself the answer. Okay? I'm trying to be respectful of your time. And I can just take this and type it in the calculator if you want, but I don't think you guys actually need me to do that. Okay. This one starts at 0. And there are 2, I didn't mention this. This I isn't the square root of negative 1. It's just the variable. Whatever variable is here, that's the variable you're using. Notice it's a P, and there's a P. Back here, notice it's an X, and there's an X. Here's a K, there's a K. There's nothing magical about what that variable is. They're just telling you the variable I'm using is that number down here and below the sigma symbol. Okay? So you start by filling in 0. Negative 6 times 0 plus 0 squared. Then increase it by 1. Negative 6 times 1 plus 1 squared. Then negative 6 times 2 plus 2 squared. Negative 6 times 3 plus 3 squared. All the way until you get to 6. Negative 6 times 6 plus 6 squared. And then add all those answers up to get your final answer. Okay? What's different on this one is you have this 7 in front. That's 7 times whatever you get for this answer. Whatever you get for this, just multiply it by 7 when you're done. So you go about it the same way. Fill whatever this beginning number is, fill it in. Negative 6 plus 2. Increase it by 1. Negative 6 plus 3. Negative 6 plus 4. Negative 6 plus 5. Negative 6 plus 6. So the answer for this will be negative 4. Oops, sorry, I don't want to say negative. Jeez. I was right the first time. Good Lord. Here I am doubting myself, thinking I'm going to make a mistake, and what do? I made a mistake. It's negative 4. negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0. Now add these up. So there's negative 4, negative 3 is negative 7, negative 9, negative 10. So the answer to the part I circled in green is negative 10 times 7. So the answer for this would be negative 70. Okay? You don't take the 7 and multiply it to each of these. You take the 7 and multiply it by what you get for an answer to that. Okay? I think that's all I need to tell you guys. Have yourself a great one. Let me know if I can help. Miss you guys.